Introducing the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.